Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show the project DAS Learning Progress. The title of the project is Data Center Standard Reference to TIA 942 and SNI 8799. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself and the member of this project. My name is Yunita Tri Indriani as a moderator, and there are Hamdani Arif as a project manager, Joy Gilbert as a group leader, and Samuel Karuniawan, Depri Almouf, Muhammad Fikri Nur Ihram, Eka Syafitri, Mujrika Meirasari, Ayu Sophia Lajuba, Angga Trisatria, Saevi as a member. Let us begin. All the presenter, please.
Physical facility that store and shares application and data. The key component of data center are router, switch, firewall, storage system, server, and application delivery controller. Data center is a container used by a company for data processing, data storage, and data management.
Standard reference, the first SNA 8799. SNA is a standard set by the government for various products made by the Indonesian people, but thus product individually and thus product by an agency or company. Secondly, TIA 942. That is the Telecommunication Industry Association developed a standard for data center, namely TIA 942, the first standard to specifically address the data center infrastructure. TIA 942 defines guidelines for planning and designing data center infrastructure, both large and small.
There are four first level classification are commonly called tiers in this standard. Tier 1, basic site infrastructure. Tier 2, redundant capacity component site infrastructure. Tier 3, constantly maintainable site infrastructure. Tier 4, fault tolerant. Our team suggests implementing a data center based on Tier 2, redundant capacity component site infrastructure, because when viewed from the condition of the location, there are already several that match the requirement of the tier.
Okay, the next is output project. The output of our PBL is a recommendation document for the data center specification and the design of data center. Next. Next is current project achievement. The percentage of our project is 50% for design, 30% for PBE, and 50% for document.
This is a data center specification. This document discusses the technical specification required by data center. For example, if you want to build a data center, make sure the place is safe from riots. Next.
Okay, this is the result of the discussion, which there are already several components that we have been searched for the data center. Here there are items, specifications, unit price, cost estimation, and utilization. Next.
Next, the design of the project. In the design of the data center room consists of three parts. One, server room, operation center room, electrical and mechanical room, and then storage and loading dock room. This room has a size of 10 meters by 16 meters.
Okay, next, project execution history. Planning, looking for data center standard reference. Meeting with project manager, meeting with UPTSI, you understand tier 2 and then tier 3 for TIA 942. Next, meeting with project manager about progress, preparing material to be presented for tomorrow, and then meeting with project manager for the progress. Next, analysis. Observation room 2.15 of the main building. Meeting with project manager, collection question that are not understood, and prepare for visit to BP Batam to get information, fulfilling the result of the visit of BP Batam. Next observation, room 2.15 of the main building, and then making wrap. Design. The progress of creating and measuring the area of the room. Treat the initial floor plan of the room and the size of the drawers are listed. And then increasing empty space in the data center design. Looking for equipment that is used or applies to the data center, and then building a design and applying furniture into the data center room.
Problems. On the problem, there are three. First, access to the data center room is difficult. Two, the electricity is difficult to understand. Three, supplier contact and deployment is difficult to find. Next. Job desk. On the job description, there are three parts. First, document member's name, Joy, data center building specification, Samuel, data center electrical specification, Mujrika, earthing, power use, cooling specification, and data network specification. Fikri, fire suppression system, data center environment monitoring, and security physical access. Project budget estimate, member's name, Junita, list of item by standard and utilization of items, ECAP, cost of item and sources, IU, the quantity of item required and the reason, DEPRI, item specification. And the last design, member's name, Angga, conducted and trial of making an initial blueprint from the location of the room according to the size listed, design and apply furniture to the data center room. Society, looking for equipment to apply to the data center space location.
Future plan. There are several plans that we have to do next. The first one is the document section need to be completed. The second one is the project estimation budget section needs to be completed and grouped according to the needs of each section completely. And the last one, in the design section, there are some that need to be updated or added. Maybe that is what we can explain about our projects. Thank you for watching this project-based learning progress.